Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about inheritance. So let's see what is inheritance. So inheritance in object-oriented programming is when a class derives from another class. Okay. So a child class will inherit all the public and the protected properties and methods from a parent class. So in that case, what we need to do, inherited class will be defined by using the extended keyword. Fine. So here I am going to write some code. The first few lines, as you all know, we have already studied in the constructor and destructor. But the next few lines I am going to write related to the inheritance. Okay. So here first I have to define the function. After that I will write echo, and then I will just mention the fruit is this name. It will indicate the name, and then its color is, then again I will indicate this and then color. Fine. I have mentioned the few things here, then I will just close the bracket. Okay, I have closed the bracket here. Now, as you can understand that right now I have written the function over there and what I need to print. After that, what we need to do is we have to create the inherited fruit. Fine. First, the derived class we are having. Okay. From that, we need to create the another class. For that, I am going to use mango. That is the child we are having, and then the extends from the fruit. The fruit is a derived class here. Fine. After that, I will just mention what I hope you understand. The fruit is a mango is a child class, and the fruit is a parent class. Fine. From that, it is inherited. From mango is inherited from the fruit class. So that is how you need to create it. After that, I will just write public function message of and echo, am I a fruit or a vegetable? Fine. This much I have mentioned here. I will just mention all the things. Let me check. Yeah, everything is correct. Um, just let me mention the semicolon. Fine. All the things are correct over there. So I hope you understand how to create the inherited class. After that, again, you have to mention what all the classes you need to, as you mentioned the class, but the object should be mentioned, right? So I'm going to write mango, new, then the object will be created over there. Mango, new mango, okay. And then I will just write again the name of the fruit. Fine. And then what is the color of the fruit? For example, I will just write yellow. Okay. So these few things I have mentioned here. Okay. And the next thing we are going to just write is mango, then message of semicolon. Then again, mango, indicate what is the name here for that, and then intro. Yeah, that I will mention. Okay. Everything is mentioned here. So I hope you understand this much. Then what we are going to do is just run this. Am I fruit or not? The fruit mango, and it is color is yellow. So all the things are mentioned here. So that is how you can do it. Okay. So this means that the mango class can be used as a public name and the color property as well as the public constructor. Okay. An intro method from the fruit class because of the inheritance. So because of the inheritance process, you can work like that. So it is one of the way how to create it. This was the help with the help of the public class. You can also create it with the help of the protected class. There are so many access modifier is provided, like with the help of protected, private. With every single access modifier, you can create it. So protected properties or a method can be accessed with the class and by the class derived from the class. Okay. So what does it mean? In that case, what we need to do, in that case, what inside the public, you can see it is very easy. So let me write you the protected function here. So I will just mention the protected function, and then I will just write the code for it. For protected function pro echo I am protected, and then semicolon. Great. Let me reload it. First, let me mention all the things I have created. You can see one error, a few, I think some error is there. So let me just correct it. So contact and see. Okay, let me just check. See what is the error. Yeah. Okay, and the intro is correct. And then, so yeah, inside the public, it was very easy. But in case of the protected and private, you have to be very careful because we have to write in some cases that what all changes we need to do. Okay, it's not easy as public. So this protected, we have to define. Okay, all the things are correct. Yeah, I am protected. The fruit is mango and the color is yellow. So that is how you can write it. I hope you understood how to do this. So that is how you can just break it. So it will automatically come in different. You just reload it and then you can see. Yeah. So now it is coming in a single line. So that is how you can create it. I hope you understood this one. This is one of the easiest way you can try it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to PHP. Thank you so much.